In the marshlands, guardians in crimson rise with the dawn. Their silhouettes mark the morning sky.
Scarlet plumage, brighter than fire.
Together, they descend. Their tools, curved to seek life beneath the surface. Every probe stirs life hidden below. A prize drawn from the depths. Together, they sweep the marsh clean. Scarlet fire doubled in still water. Young guardians wear earth tones before crimson. Nurtured by the marsh, sustained by the flock. High above, they guard their future.
Each branch, part of a fortress.
Building together, bond strengthened.
Tiny guardians, shielded by warmth.
When dawn breaks, the marsh ignites with crimson. Eyes ever watchful. But danger lies beneath. Safety comes from the sky. Together, they rise beyond danger. But the marsh keeps its secrets. Caution guides their return. Life returns to rhythm. Every step tied to the earth.
The marsh breathes heat at midday.
From mud to water, they adapt.
Fish too fall to their probing.
Young ones follow each move. But the marsh is never still. Guardians endure the storm. Flashes reveal their vigil. Even soaked, their fire remains. The storm passes, and beauty returns. Wings open to sun, life resumes.
Bond strengthened in care.
Crimson guardians rest as light fades. The next guardians prepare. First steps into the sky. Guided by watchful eyes.
sky blooms crimson once more.
Each wing beat, a mark of resilience. Crimson fire mirrors on golden waters. Guardian circle, watching. Night will soon embrace them. The Ibis, red guardians of the marsh.